wake the streets up. Yeah, yeah, okay, wake the streets up. Okay, come on. Okay, wake the streets up. Yeah, okay.
Hey all my trues. Hey everybody, it's Miss True Redbone. I am on a roll today, so don't think I wore the same clothes 3 days in a row. No, I'm just pumping these videos out for you guys. And as you can see, for a second y'all, what is that? I'm not starting over y'all. For a second I thought that I wasn't recording. And this is probably why I didn't think I was recording. This is gonna be another sip and cook. We are making Tater Tot Casserole, and I will show you guys the ingredients, okay? Very simple. It's very filling. So the kiddos, you guys will enjoy in its quick, fast hurry. Throw it together, put it in the oven. I'm gonna walk you through it. We're gonna make it fast. It's Tater Tot Casserole. There are several names out there for it. I don't know them all. This is what my kids call it. I used to call it a poor man's meal. But yeah, let's get this started and get it over with. All right, you guys. All right, so what we working with? We have 2 bags of tater tots. We have cheese. You can use any kind of cheese that you want. We have ground beef. I believe that is 2 pounds. We have 2 cans of cream of celery, and that's because I like cream of celery. 2 cans of those, and you'll need 2 cans of the equal amount of milk or water. I prefer milk because water takes away from your flavor. I'm going to use a can of corn, also tater tots that I already laid out, you guys, and ground beef in your regular seasoning, which you will see once I get the cooking. And I also have half of a onion dice. So that is that. And of course, you know, with my seasoning, I will be using a packet of onion soup. So let's go ahead and get right into the video. All right, you guys, I'm sorry. Somebody actually rung my door. Came to the door. I don't never have people come by my house. And if you don't acknowledge, if you don't call me first and say you coming, you're going to be highly disappointed. So all I did so far was put the ground beef in and the onions in an onion soup package, you guys. So I am going to go ahead and just blend this up a little because it was starting to cook while I was answering the door. So I apologize. I'm gonna make this really quick. Yes, you guys, we hit 600 subscribers today. And I don't know if I deleted this part, but my husband, I gave him a stack of my cards. We're gonna use some garlic powder. I gave my husband a stack of my cards, and you know, season to your own desire. We're gonna use some, y'all know what I use already, steak seasoning, because I told y'all I got everything I need in it. Yeah, in a minute, y'all gonna know my basics. I use other ingredients. It's just a lot of them do gravitate around the same seasoning. I'm trying to use this up, y'all. It's done. All right. And that's gonna be it. 1 second. Again, we got the seasoning going. What I started over here, let me get that started. Let's see if we can show you a little bit. That is my cream of celery in there. I'm not gonna add any seasoning because my meat has enough seasoning. I'm just gonna go ahead and put in my milk. I'm gonna start with the 1 can and see how it thickens. If I need to add 1 more can of milk, I will let you guys know. So let's let the meat brown. As you can see, I've put in the first layer of my tater tots. And we're gonna get to stirring up on this cream of celery. The cream of celery, the liquid, is what's going to combine everything together. And I will show you guys how to layer it, but pretty much cook your meat, cook that cream of celery, start to layer up on your tater tots as such, and I will come back very shortly. get for rushing. You know, when you rush, you don't get anything done right. Take your time. All right, you guys. So let me turn this background sound down. The meat is done. I've strained it already. I've strained the meat already, all the grease out very thoroughly. Our cream of mushroom, I did use the full 2 cans of milk. Trying to see if that's smoking. It's fine. So that's good and ready to go. Alright, so let's go ahead and layer on the meat. I already my oven is preheating at 370, you guys. And you're just pretty much, after this, stick it in the oven. I'll say, expect 30 minutes, but it may be done faster. Again, ground beef, onion soup packet. This is 2 pounds of ground beef. You just layer it on there. I'm telling you guys, it is delicious. You can, again, ground beef, I used half of an onion, an onion soup packet, my pepper seasoning, my steak seasoning, garlic powder, and that's all I use for seasoning. I will put a little bit of parsley on top of the cheese once we get that layered in. So that's how you want it to look right there. So it's sitting on top of that layer of turn them off. So it's on the first bed of tater tots. Now I'm going to go ahead and layer on some corn. We got to get some vegetables into them somehow. They're not voluntarily gonna take the vegetables, y'all know. And I'm not gonna use this whole can. I'm really adding it to the color. You can use any vegetable you want, be creative, but I'm using corn because I know that they all will eat some corn. Alright, so we got that going. We'll go ahead and layer on some more tater tots. I'm going to go ahead and do that. Let me just get it started and show y'all. So it'll look just like the other layer that we put down before. If you don't want to make it all cute, that's your business. Y'all know, I'm a little special when it comes to certain things. This is actually going to be for Cherie, my friend who I kicked it with today. She told me to tell her how I make it, so I'm going to just send her. She already is on my notification, so she'll see it when it posts, but I'm just going to send her the link when I get finished. She was like, girl, you ain't got to cook tonight, it's Saturday. It's all good. I felt guilty for not really cooking too much throughout the week. And I mean, they love this. This is something that they request along with that pizza casserole that I showed you guys before. And you know, having such a big family, we always have to make sure that we feed them well. Something that's going to nourish and feed and fill them up at the same time. But what was I talking about before, you guys? 600 subscribers. I'm a little bit over that now. My husband was at work promoting me, handing my cards out to his clients. So, amen for deity. Yes, sir. Keep it coming. Keep doing what you're doing. And y'all keep doing what y'all doing. I'm going to keep doing what I'm doing. And we're going to make it do what it does. Yeah, but I don't know if I did. I told y'all in one of the other videos. It's all running together, y'all, because this is my 3rd video today. I hear you. I hear you. See? See how pretty? See how pretty? Alright. I'm going to come back. I'm going to finish this, come back, and then show you guys what's the next step. All right, you guys. So, see how cute that looks? So yeah, now what we're gonna do, we're gonna add a little bit of salt and pepper on here. Add a little bit of salt and pepper on here. So fucking recording. He know that. He know that. He told you.
You didn't tell me shit.
I didn't hit pause either.
What up, baby? What up, bitches? What up, hoes out there in the world? Bitch. You can edit that.
All right, you guys. So I'm gonna go ahead. I put a little bit of salt on there, as you saw, and y'all heard my husband come in. I'm not editing that out. He played too much. You know, when I'm videotaping, when I'm recording, he wanted to add in that extra stuff. He said, y'all grown. Y'all know, y'all didn't hear cuss words before. He did it on purpose though, y'all. Just so you know. You want to come and tell these people you did this shit on purpose?
What shit?
The shit that I'm not editing out. I'm gonna add a little pepper on top, y'all. Did a little salt.
She said, oh, you rich.
Go away. Go away. Go away.
Bitch, I graduated, call me Big Fish.
Okay, baby, stop now. Alright, so salt and pepper on top, just for a little bit of seasoning on the tater tots. Alright, so piece. Alright, and I'm just gonna go ahead and put the cream on top, the cream of mushroom. Yeah, y'all saw that mess I just made. I gotta clean that up. And this will seep through to the bottom. I'll put it in there. And it's okay if the veggies from the cream stays on top. That is quite alright. I'm actually gonna help this through a little bit just to speed up the process. Otherwise, I usually just let it sit there for a while. And it, you know, it seeps through. But I'm gonna help it along, just for the sake of the video. Otherwise, you can go ahead and put it on top. Let it sit for about 10 minutes and it'll seep through to the bottom for you. And this is what's gonna be the adhesive to hold everything together. I'm telling y'all, it's really good. It may not look too good to you, but it tastes good and it's filling. A small piece will fill you up. I'm really not editing that out, you guys. That's why I try to get it done before he get here. Alright, I'm gonna go for a little more. I actually end up using both of them, so that's cool. I didn't waste anything, because waste not, want not. And then we're gonna go ahead and layer some cheese on top. And stick it in the oven. Like I said, I have mine set at 370. You can do it a little higher if you want. Any kind of cheese you want. Sharp cheddar, mild cheddar. This is a blend. It's actually Mexican cheese, so Mexican style, so a blend of Monterey Jack, queso blanca cheese, and mild cheddar. Yum. So we're gonna go ahead and just layer it on top. Look how that looks, y'all. I won't be eating this. I didn't want it. They did. I'm gonna clean up my mess. We just gonna go through the motion right now. Cheese on, and I'm gonna sprinkle some parsley on top just for aesthetics. Yum yum, eat 'em up, eat 'em up. He's talking about just edit it out. Ain't nobody got time for that. I got too many videos popping today. I won't be just editing anything out. I am very upset, you guys. He play too much. I'm gonna go in there and bite his ass. Okay. I think that should be enough cheese. Just make sure you get it along the edges too. You want to be fair. Don't have the edges screaming like, hey, don't leave me alone. Okay, so y'all get the gist. See how pretty she is? Okay, these gloves coming off. Alright, so parsley on top, and in the oven it will go. I'm going to put it in for 30 minutes. I'm going to when I take it out, I will show you guys how pretty it is. Alright. Alright, alright, you guys, my truth. I'll be right back. Alright, look how pretty it is, you guys. Let's get in there. Get in there. Let me turn off my timer. Alright, so it is all finished, you guys. I really should wait to cut into it, but I'm ready to go be done. So let's see. So it's gonna fall apart, and that's because I didn't let it settle. I just took it out. But I just want y'all to see what it looks like plated. Now, if you want, you can put sour cream on the top of this. You can put some French onion dip on top of it. And let's see what it looks like. Plated. I really don't want it to fall apart, but it's going to, y'all, because it's extra hot. Ooh, wait. See that though? That creaminess. Now, if you let it sit, it'll stay all together. Look at that, my plate there. If you let it sit, it will stay all together as a solid piece. But just for show, see that? Yum! See the creaminess, see the potato. There's your corn and there's your meat. Yes, filling. And like I said, you can put sour cream or you can put French onions, dip on top, and delicious. There you go. Dinner is done. Alright, my truth. It's been a long day, and I got a lot of stuff done today, y'all. I really did. So I need you guys to like, comment, subscribe, and share. But your girl has been working hard for the truths. Tell your mama, daddy, sister, brother, auntie, uncle to come by here and feed Miss True Redbone, and don't let the door hit you with a good Lord squishing. Y'all have a good night. Alright then, bye. Peace. And I'm not editing this video, so you're going to hear my husband cussing. And I apologize. He ruined it, but it was just too much work put into today. Love y'all. Have a good one. 600.